Today we're showing you a 2016 Kubota M7060 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a cab, heat and air, has a Kubota LA 1154 quick attach front loader on it. The connection here is a skid loader connection. It does look like as if the bucket has set outside some. The rest of the tractor does not appear that way. This is a local one-owner tractor. The tractor was purchased new by a local fella here, and his needs have changed, so he no longer has need for the tractor. It does have the heavy cast wheels in the back here. Tires are good on it. It does have the work lights front and back of the cab. Telescopic 3-point arms. It has a 540 PTO, top link, dual remotes. Everything's there. Very clean tractor. It's just over 230 hours. It's very, very clean tractor. It's got the suspension seat here for the operator, tilt steering wheel. It does have the hydraulic shuttle, which allows you to change direction without clutching. Clutch pedal, brake pedal, foot throttle down below, as well as your kickstand for your tilt wheel. Four-wheel drive engagement is here to the left of the seat. 8-speed transmission. You have 4 gears and then a high-low range on this other orange lever here. 2 remote levers, 3-point position and draft control, PTO engagement, and some light and wiper switches over there to the right. Loader control obviously also to the right there. Up top you have the radio, climate controls, sun visor, all that good stuff. And again, this is a local one-owner tractor. 250 hours, very clean unit. We do take trades. We also offer trucking and financing. We offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please feel free to contact us on the web or give us a call.